Hello, welcome back, guys. Let's do the analysis of index for tomorrow. Just disclaimer. So, what happened on Friday? On Friday, basically, Nifty opened a gap up, and for the whole day, it spent the time in this region only. So, it was a type of sellers in premium on that day. Now, see, if you see on hourly, this gap will get filled in coming days. Okay, so gap is like 24,865 to 24,957. So what I'm expecting, since Jackson Hole event has been done, Fed has said rate cut will happen, but how much basis point they have not mentioned yet. There's a job data coming in September 1st week that will be a big trigger to know how much rate cut can happen. Now, if you see properly, so I'm expecting Nifty, if this high of last week 24,867 is crossed and on 15 minute also a candle is closed above that, we can expect this gap to be filled of 24,950, 960. You have some results. So if we see tomorrow, if day high or last week day high is crossed 24,870, we can see the gap to be filled of 24,950, and there's a huge resistance at 24,987 to 25,000 levels. If it opens, it will open gap up only. Let's see how it behaves. Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank also same, opened and was in the whole day was in this region only. So until and unless we don't get any closing above 51,000, 150, 115, 120, we can't see a big movement in Bank Nifty. So for Bank Nifty, again, this is a very vital range. If this low is broken, 50,800, we can see Bank Nifty again going to 50,300 levels. So guys, on Bank Nifty, I will be bullish only if 50,000, 51,120 is bridged and we see at least a 30-minute candle close above that, or else Bank Nifty will be in sideways, or we can see a downfall in days to come. Nifty, what happened in Nifty? Nifty, same thing happened. Nifty same opened in this candle, hold is spent in this candle only. So what next in Nifty? Again, we need our closing above 23,300, that is previous week's high. Okay, we need a 15 minutes to 30 minutes candle close above these levels. Then only we can see some good move in Nifty of 200 to 300 points. For us, Nifty will spend time in this area. 23,000 being a very good support as of now. Nifty mid cap. Nifty mid cap, guys. See, it gave a tremendous shakeout on Friday. Again, bulls tried hard, but it was in this range only. So what can happen in Nifty next? If Nifty daily candle is bearish engulfing, okay, so it's not a good sign on the at the highest point of any chart. Okay, So what I'm expecting mid cap, mid nifty, what can happen if it opens gap up, which will happen until and unless we don't see any closing above this level 13,100. Don't expect any major move. We can see a downside move till 12,870 or 12,700 if this is breached. So I'm actually I'm a little bullish on Nifty, but on other index I'm not that much bullish. Let's see how expiry happens, because this is a monthly expiry, so you have to keep an eye on that. There's some stocks which are looking good. Actually, not stocks, some sectors. Like if you see alcohol sector as a whole, not big players, small players. See what I've seen. There's a couple of company like Radiko Khatan, a small distillery player, you can say small wine players, you can say all charts are setting up very good. See how beautiful. Once you get a breakout, it will be a massive breakout. Radio Khatan, come to Globus Spirit. See Globus Spirit also. Good chart has been forming. Okay, Globus Spirit is there. Associated alcohol, what's the see associated alcohol also beautiful chart, good chart. See swing, this swing, now this swing. So associated alcohol, GM deliveries, Radiko Khatan. So you can check out all the stocks related to distillery. Okay, so you can see some good move may come in coming days. So thank you so much, guys. Please hit a like button. If you have any query, you can comment. If you're liking our video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.